So your baby has a cold, stuffy nose, uncomfortable, they can't blow their nose, and you're frustrated. How do you help your baby? In this video, I'm gonna share with you guys how you can clean your baby's nose whenever they have a cold, whenever they're fussy, whenever they're stuffy, and you're just frustrated. Okay, so let us talk about what we need to help your baby. We're gonna need a saline. I use the one from the brand Little Remedies. So this is the Little Remedies saline spray drops. So what you do whenever your baby has a stuffy nose, you put this in first. 1 drop in each nostril to help loosen things up. Then I use this tool. So what exactly is this little device? This is the nasal aspirator. This one is from the brand Nose Frida, and this is also known as a snot sucker. This is what you use to help your baby breathe. You might be nasty in your mind or whatever, but when you hear that baby all stuffed up and they can't help themselves, you're gonna want to suck that snot to make sure that they can breathe. There's so much different ones on the market that you can buy, that you can use, but I personally like this one. A lot of people don't like this one because it gives you the sense like you're sucking the cold in your mouth, which that is not true. It has a filter. So if you look closely on this part right here, this is the filter, and whenever you buy it, it comes with a whole pack of filters. So these are the filters that you put in there. You should change your filter after every use. And as for the tube, this part right here, you wash this. So oftentimes after you use it, you're gonna notice that there is cold or booger stuck right in this part. So what I normally do is just soak it in some warm soapy water and it will just soak right off. As long as you clean your stuff, as long as you change your filter, you'll be fine. Whenever you use this tube, this is how it works. You put this hand in your mouth, put this part in the nostril, and you suck. This is the filter right here. There's nothing coming in this tube. This tube is always empty. Only thing passed through this tube is hair. So it is completely safe. As I say, it gives you the nasty feeling, but it's not nasty because there's nothing getting in your mouth. It all stops here. The filter is here. So this is the part that you need to pay attention to. Make sure you clean this part, change your filter after every use. If you have any other question, if there's anything that I did not cover, please leave your questions down in the comment and I'll get back to you. With that being said, I hope this video was helpful as usual, and if it was, leave this video a thumbs up so that YouTube know that you enjoyed it, and I also appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.